So I want to know more about me. Aye. So boom. So I post on my IG story and my WhatsApp status. And I ask and I say, what no one know about me? And then I the comments them I get. So the first comment is from _Shanaski_. And our question is, what inspired me to do YouTube? To be honest, I always fascinated by YouTube, but I never really focused on it like that. I did have a music visualizer channel before. But it never really worked out.
Okay.
Simply because I don't feel like I do good to society through the channel. My inspiration is basically me trying to provide information to people, making them learn from my mistake and get some laughs out of it as well. So the next question is, how I decide to venture into being a teacher? So yeah, if you never know me, I'm a teacher. I study at the Michael University College and have a bachelor's degree in teaching mathematics at the secondary level.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you,
We don't care.
But yeah, I decided to become a teacher because I'm a maths teacher. They tell me I'm not going to become nothing in life. And yeah, I try to become better than him. I'm going to do a story time about that still, but that's basically run down as to why I decided to become a teacher. Next question. How old may be? I'm 22 now. Birthday past September 20. And nobody come to me with that whole horoscope crap. You know, you're Virgo, so that means you are X or Y type of person. Man, you're not bother with that. Wall out. Next question from Shanaski again. So who are my favorite YouTubers internationally or locally? So I'm gonna split it up. As it relates to animation, if you check to the right of the room, you see one of my biggest inspirations as it relates to animation. Young Dan the Sauce God. Another animator where I kinda like them thing.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Another animator where I kinda like them thing. Yo 808. As it relates to couples, favorite YouTubers, Amy and Mazzy. And as it relates to comedy, King Tavi. Yeah, so that's it. Next question from King David. What's the worst thing that ever happened to you, Michael? Write the question here. Me fail a course, brother.
Oh my God!
By 3 marks.
Oh my
Yeah, that one. Bex about it, you see me? Thing what really pissed me off is I get to see my virgin them graduate left me. And don't get it wrong, it's not that I'm not proud of them, I'm proud of the brother them, you see me? I'm happy for them. The thing is, I wish we could have celebrated with them instead of for them, if you get me I say. But not before time, you see me? Everything work out good. All the way I work and everybody happy, you see me? So, yeah. What my biggest fear? My biggest fear of height. Like me remember when I in high school, me have a class IT on the 3rd floor. And me remember when I come back down the stairs from the class, the back of my shirt did black. Cause me literally there rub the back of my shirt pan the wall to stay away from the railing on the 3rd floor. So yeah, my greatest fear of height. That's why I decided to say I want to do either skydiving or bungee jumping before I pass off of Earth, yeah. Just to combat the fear a little bit.
Oh my God, you for real?
Another person asked, what my worst childhood experience? My worst childhood experience. Well, if you want to know about that, you can pre my previous video about Jessica. Yeah, man. That still shake me up, me nah lie. Did you and Jessica get back together? Get back together? You never watch a video. You coulda never watch a video. I swear. Check back a video. Next question. When we are get a face reveal?
What the fuck was that?
My face nah hide, my friend. See me here? Or if you want to check me up on IG, you can check me at Rex_Almighty. Another person asked, what's one weird thing when nobody would know about me? Wipe off toilet seat before me use it.
Okay.
Even my own yard.
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying, how? Like, talk to me, bro.
And me not really think that normal, but you can't blame college for that. That's all me I go say. What is the worst restaurant/dining out experience? I gotta do a story time about this too. Yeah, man. Next question. Why you rob Michael toilet them that night? What type of content me plan for offer when or if me run out of stories? I like the question. So, if you check the about section for my channel, you realize it say, we all have stories, a lot interesting but untold. So my plan for you is issue out an email where people can tell them story and me provide some either animation or whatever I decide to do in like a spontaneous way and provide that story. Keeping confidentiality and all them things there. So yeah, I also plan to do unpopular opinions, which is a segment where I work on where I can collaborate with other YouTubers. I have a couple things that I work on still. Final question. What one major goal I want to achieve? I tell myself from high school, say, I must take at least one homeless person from off of the street. By whatever way I can assist, send back to school or whatever, I don't know. But I must take at least one homeless person off of the street. It's a major goal of mine. So yeah, them there are some of the questions that my people ask, and I don't know, I think of doing a part 2. So like the video, subscribe, share it to one person, not pressure you, and big up yourself. Next story time so forward.